If you don't want to fail, improve your observation skills. Your driving test is a presentation of your driving skills. I'm approaching the roundabout here. Clearly I've got, quite a few cars. I'm not going to go any further because there's a car in front of me anyway. But as soon as I get a good opportunity, I'm looking further about 100 meters as far as I can see in order to take the turn safely. Just be aware of your buffer gap. Mirror checks. When do we check mirrors? There's a simple trick. If somebody's not able to connect their foot movement with their chin movement, as soon as you lift your right foot like I'm doing now, just tilt your chin upwards a little bit. Another reason that a lot of test candidates fail their driving test is that they fail to scan the intersection if they are first car at a red traffic light. If someone's doing 60 kilometers an hour, they will travel 16.33 meters every second. When your light changes to green, right and left hand side will change to red. Look as far as possible because fast moving objects travel longer distance in less time. If you are fifth, sixth car at an intersection, that's going to be easier to intercept. You can still look, but you don't need to make as much effort. We have a few cars here. From my position, I'm a second car here at the moment. Everything's in my peripheral vision. I can easily see them from here. But if I was the first car, from this point, it would be in line with my face. So I wouldn't be able to intercept as easily what's coming and how fast. Every decision that we make when we drive in a motor vehicle comes from your observation. We check mirrors when your speed fluctuates. We see the rear view mirror and the rear view pretty much all the time because it's positioned within your peripheral vision. So, it's positioned where you can see the entire time what's happening behind you. Even if I'm not looking straight in the mirror, I know there's a car behind me now, even without directly looking at it. But when we change our speed significantly, I need to pay close attention what's happening. See, I brake now and I caused that driver to overtake me. A lot of times when you're going through roundabouts and when you're accelerating out of the roundabouts, do the secondary mirror check to see what's changed, if there's anything that's changed significantly. Oftentimes people turn the corner and they don't pay attention to the rear view mirror, accelerating as if they are trying to get away from something. Some instructors, coach, do it every few seconds, but it is impossible to program human brain to do something every 3 or 5 seconds. So what can trigger your reaction to lift your chin upwards a little bit? As soon as you start to move your foot from the accelerator to the brake, just tilt your chin a little bit, so it makes it a natural look. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.